Hello Tubers! Today I'm gonna give away 3D printed items like this knife from Counter-Strike Karambit and these printed American Hacker logos. First print for today is Shadow Dagger. Here it is time-lapse. This printed knife I will send it to Peter Yorgov, and he is from Bulgaria. Congratulations, bro! I have printed couple of American Hacker logos, and it's a test version, and if there some hacktuber know to make cool 3D logo for me, send it on my email. These printed logos I will give away in my next video. Don't forget to comment below what should I make. In previous video, many hacktubers asked me to make Counter-Strike Karambit knife. So here it is, and must say guys, it looks so cool when you hold in hands. I will give away this printed knife. Don't forget to comment below the video if you want a free 3D printed item. And thanks for watching, subscribe and visit my channel page for more video projects. See ya!